With it, 3 editions of Tata Steel Chess India, and you played in all 3 of them. You and Levon Aronian, only 2 of you are in this event. We played all 3.
Nice.
So excited, tensed, playing against juniors here. What is the feeling like?
I'll answer that. First, I'll take.
Please. Starter.
Yeah.
He's coming up. It
came and then it went. It's coming up.
Guys, look at this. this interview. Look at with it seriously.
It just started. No, we'll reshoot it.
No. I'm going to give this.
Thank you.
ये आपने मतलब जितने भी लोगों को ऐसा सर्व किया है, फर्स्ट टाइम कोई इंटरव्यू के बीच में खाता रहेगा ना? नहीं, मैं नहीं बाद में. थैंक यू. Is it one more? मैं ऐसे ही रखने वाला हूँ. 30 seconds have passed.
It's very hot.
No problem. आराम से.
Yeah.
So what's the feeling like now? You are a little bit, you are very hungry because you hadn't eaten, I guess.
No, I have to go home soon. So I was just waiting the food to start, like dinner to start.
Correct.
Sorry.
Yeah.
So Levon and I am the only players who have played the last 3 editions.
Yeah. How's your feeling right now? Are you excited? Are you nervous? Because new opponents, unknown, some of them a bit unknown, you know?
I think I would be lying if I said that there is not a tinge bit of nervousness. I think every sports player feels that before the game, and I think it's good to a certain extent if it doesn't take control over you. So of course that before the game anxiety is still there, and of course I also look at this that not many people get the opportunity to play such tournaments, and I have got this for the 3rd time, so I'm very grateful for that. So I look at it as an opportunity, and of course pre-game jitters are of course always there.
You know, with it there are now it's so happening that the tournaments you play, you are one of the favorites, right? Earlier you always used to be like the one of the players who is has good chances but not the favorite. And does that motivate you further that okay, here I can win both Rapid and Blitz?
Yeah, that thought definitely excites me. And it would be amazing if it happens. I would be very, very happy to see that. I have of course been working and doing my work, like preparing for the events. But in sports there is no guarantee, but I'm just trying to do what's under my control, you know. Just I can prepare, come here, be focused and try to do well. But as you said, yeah, this thought of winning, it becomes more real in such a field because you're one of the favorites. And just when I think about it, it makes me smile.
Amazing. And you know, you said you worked a lot. We've been seeing that you're working on your fitness, your chess, and you've been very serious about it. At the same time, you missed a very big event, which was the Grand Swiss. It went on quite smoothly there in Latvia. What was your feeling when you were following it? Were you like, oh, I missed an opportunity, or were you like, okay, I made a decision, I have to stick with it?
Yeah, so kudos to the organizers and the team for making it a smooth event. So that's very nice that they did that. I tried not to get this thought because I had already made the decision. So what's the point of thinking about it? And when I made the decision, things were looking uncertain. And for me at that point, it was either I pick my health, my family's health, or I go to play a tournament which is slightly risky. And I decided to, you know, prioritize health over it. And at that point, I feel that I made the decision knowing what I knew. In hindsight, of course, you see that the tournament went well and it would have been nice to go there. But I mean, I don't really blame myself for the decision because it could have gone either way.
Very practical thinking, a very level-headed thinking, I would say. And I think that's very nice. And what about over here now? You are here with your sister, Vedika. How does she bring about? Does she help support you, or how is it?
I feel chess as a sport, it's quite lonely. Lonely, I don't know if it's the right word, but you know, there are like constantly you're thinking of the games, there is certain pressure, and if you have someone close to you, there with you, I think it helps psychologically, emotionally. So I'm very happy that she is here it gives me added strength, I would say. It's a pity that she has to leave within 2-3 days because her exams are there. But I'm very, very glad that she could be here. And you know, as I said, when if I have something, I just talk to her, and she manages the other things around. You know, making sure that I don't miss out on something important, and I can focus on the game. So it's of course a nice feeling. And usually when I travel abroad, I don't get to do that. So that's why it's extra special.
Amazing. And with it, we know that you are hungry. Tomorrow is an important day. So we'll cut this interview short. It's always pleasure talking to you. We usually have long interviews, but all the best for this tournament. Yeah, it's a very important one.
Thank you, Sagar bhai. Thank you for being patient.
My pleasure.